Hi friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sim. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please press the bell icon. Now let us jump into Nifty analysis. Today was a very interesting day. If you see in 15 minutes, okay, as the market went up on Friday, same way market has come down and then it has closed in between. Okay, so let us see. It's very tricky day. So we don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. It all depends upon the market opening, right? We'll go to the day. This is a day candle. You can see here. It has just taken support at our 21 day EMA and then it has gone up. As we told, this line, this red line is broken. This support line is broken. It will come down. It has come down and then taken a support at. There is a 55 EMA also downside. It will act as a very good support. 55 in any chart EMA will act as a very good support and resistance. Okay, so it has to take out today's low. Please use intraday chart. This is only for drawing support and resistance level, right? Then it will go. If it takes out that, then there will be a support at 9678. Then it will land up at 9572. That is Friday's low. If that is taken out with volume, so taking out and closing, it has to be with volume. If it is volume, then we can see 9200 very easily. So going up, Nifty has got lot of resistance. Like today's high is a resistance, Friday's high is a resistance. Okay, again we have got 100-day moving average, 10,044 is a resistance point. Okay, if it crosses that, again 10,137, then 10,174. Most probably market may get stuck here if global clues not very volatile. Okay, I think so, because another 2 days is there, 3 days is there for expiry. So let us see after once the market opens tomorrow, right? We will go to the other set of Fibonacci, where it is still below at the 50-day 50% retracement. So once it crosses that, so it may go up. As you can see, there is lot of resistance going up. It may come down easily, like I told yesterday. So again you can see exactly the line where we have marked the last 1 hour candle has come down from there. Okay, so again there is 55 200 EMA in 1 hour candle and 100 EMA. So now 21 has crossed 55 here. So that is also one of the sign that market will go down. So going down looks more easier than coming up. So again there is a resistance, again there is resistance, again it will go and stand here. The small and big resistance are there. Still it crashes convincingly 10,300. Upside is limited. So downside is open. Again depends upon the situation. If there is any news comes up, we don't know what is going to happen. So let us see what is the volume. You can see volume is 716. 3 days average volume is 742k. Okay, this is 716, almost nearest to that, and 5 days average volume is 722k. That is also 716 is also nearest to that. So it is also volume supported. Okay, let us see now Bank Nifty and other. Sorry, we will see the OI data. OI data, you can see put writers have covered their positions. Premium going up, OI coming down. Premium going up, OI coming down is short covering, right? They have covered up their shorts. Okay, it is OI data is indicating that market will go up, but in charts we can see there is lot of resistance. So fight between the OI data and the chart may skews Nifty, or it may get into sideways. Okay, we can see there is a strong resistance at 9,900, 13 lakh OA build up, again 22 lakh OA build up at 10,000. So crossing us this will be a very difficult task. Again there is a support at 9,800. Okay, 11 lakhs build up. Here it is 19 lakhs build up. Again 24 lakhs build up at 9500. So I told this 9500 range, there is a 24 lakhs build up is there. So there is a support and resistance. There is going to be a very good fight between bull and the bears tomorrow. Let us see. All depends upon the opening and the global market also. Bank Nifty, again Bank Nifty also looks similar to Nifty. You can see. So day candle again, it has taken support at 23.6% retracement value, okay, and closed below 21-day moving average. So downside again there will be a support at 9555, that is Friday's low, and today's high also has to be taken out. Again Bank Nifty also will have the same. Going up it will have got lot of resistance. Coming down looks more easier than going up, okay, as per the data, okay, because market is dynamic. You can only what you call, looking at the data points, we can only assume this may happen, this may happen. Again we have to check with if you are intraday, we have to use 5 minutes or 15 minutes candlestick, and then you should have some setup, okay, and then we, as per that setup, you have to play the intraday, right? You can see here, as it went up it came down, okay, right? Cup and saucer, cup and holder, all those things may be happening, we don't know. Now we will check other data points like FII were net sellers, okay, minus 2960. DAIs was net buyers 1760 crores. World market, Nasdaq is positive about 0.22%, okay, SGX is also positive about 0.55%, okay. Let us see what happens tomorrow. Please check this global data in the morning between 8 and 8:30, that will be more reliable, okay. Right now unusual activity, okay, there is some unusual activity, OA build-up happening in 1500 call and 1500 put of Reliance, okay. This is a huge build-up out of the money. Maybe Reliance preparing itself to go down in coming days, maybe. Let us see. Some good news is coming every day. They are telling some other people are buying stakes in Reliance. We don't know what is going to happen. So maybe it is preparing. Just keep an eye on 1500 call and put. See today there is a change of 47,975 OI. Same way tomorrow also you note down call and put how much change. The rate of change of OA is very important. We are automizing the system. It will take some more time for us to show you the datas, okay. There is unusual build-up both on the call side and put side in Reliance 1500 call and put. Let us see Reliance chart also once, such that we are more, there is some more clarity, right? RELI. There is a very good volume also today, above the average volume, and then market has moved up, okay, with the volume. Price goes up, volume goes up, it is bullish, right? Sorry, yesterday I forgot to show you the question of the day. Price increase, volume increase, it is bullish. Price decrease, I have put 14, but yesterday I forgot to show you this question. Anyhow, we will use it today. Price decrease, volume increase, what is the answer for that? Please prepare that, such that you learn this and implement in the market also, such that so price goes up, volume is also goes up. This Reliance is bullish, but something is cooking up in 1500 call and put, okay. So let us see after tomorrow opening, if it takes out, you can see the resistance 1, 2, 3 at the same level. At this point you can see the resistance, okay. There is resistance at this point. So once it taken out that resistance, I think so it may, if takes out this volume with volume, then it may move up. Otherwise it is at lifetime Myers free to weak high, so it is difficult to predict what will be here. It has come down from there, again it has come back there. So this is the very important aspect here. This portion you can see, and that move should be supported by volume. If it is supported by volume, it will go up, otherwise it will come down. So let us hope for the best tomorrow. Just keep an eye on 1500 call and put. So question of the day. So last day's answer was bullish. Price increase, volume increase, it is bullish. Price decrease, volume decrease, what is the answer? Please find out and write in the comment section. Tomorrow we will give you the answer for that. And then we are missing out anything. Sometimes I just get confused and then I may miss out. So we have covered everything. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video is useful to people. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.